Good morning, everyone. Welcome once again in our class. So, in the previous class, we see the example of the type integration of dx upon ax square plus bx plus c. And this example we consider of that type that integration of 1 upon a square minus b square x square dx, right? And the some steps we have to follow to solve the examples of this type. And first step is make coefficient of x square as 1. So in this we make coefficient of x square as 1. Then in the second step we have to, this is actually we got the standard form. If we do not got this standard form in this step, so we have to make do the second step, that is the divide the coefficient of x by 2 and square that term and add and subtract in denominator of the function. And then after simplifying we got this type of step standard form, right? And we have to use the formula of this step, that the integration of 1 upon a square minus x square, or 1 upon x square minus a square, x square 1 upon x square plus x square, 1 upon x square plus a square, and 1 upon root x square minus a square, and root 1 minus 1 upon root a square minus x square, like that. That six formulas we have to use after simplifying like this. Okay, now see the second example of this type, that is the third one actually, that evaluate integration of 1 upon root 3x square minus 7 dx, right? So let I is given integral, and see in the first step we make the coefficient of x square as 1. So for that take 3 common in outside the bracket, and remaining is x square minus 7 by 3, because we take 3 common, this is 7 by 3, right? Then this 1 by root 3 actually constant, take outside the integral, and this is the root x square minus 7 by 3. And now we have to convert this in the form of root x square minus a square. For that we have to write this 7 by 3 in square form. So 7 by 3 in square form is root 7 by root 3 whole square, right? So this is root x square minus a square, right? This is constant, we say this a, and this is x, so root x square minus a square, this gives you standard form. Now we use this result, that integration of 1 upon root x square minus a square dx equals to log of x plus root x square minus a square plus c. C is the constant of integration again. So use this one, 1 upon root 3 log 1 upon root 3 is constant, log x plus root x square minus root 7 by 3 whole square plus c, right? Now this root 7 by 3 whole square means 7 by 3 actually, so convert that as it is. So it is 1 by root 3 log of x plus root x square minus 7 by 3 plus c. This should be the final answer here, right? In this way we have to solve the examples of this type. See the next one again, that example number 4. See here, 1 upon integration of 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12, right? So first of all we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. Here actually already the coefficient of x square is 1, right? So 1 upon x square plus 8x. Now what we do here, here actually we have to perform the second step. What is that? That is divide equation of coefficient of x by 2. Here coefficient of x is 8, divide by 2, so 8 by 2 is 4, and then square that term, 4 square 16, so we have to add 16, add and subtract in denominator, right? So see here, x square plus 8x plus 16, and plus 12 minus 16, plus 12 minus 16 means minus 4, right? Now 16 minus 4 means what? 12. Okay, or instead of this we see these first three terms are the perfect square of x plus 4 whole square. See here, x square plus 8x plus 16 is nothing but x plus 4 whole square. If we expand this x plus 4 whole square, we got x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, and this 4 is nothing but 2 square. Now see, we got the term x square minus a square, and integration of 1 upon x square minus a square is 1 upon twice a log x minus a upon x plus a. Okay, so using this result, what we get, 1 upon twice a is 2, so 1 upon 2 into 2 log of x plus 4 minus 2 upon x plus 4 plus 2 plus c, right? So 1 upon 2 into 2 means 4 log of x plus 2, 4 minus 2 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so this should be the result, final answer we say, that 1 upon 4 log of x plus 2 upon x plus. Okay, now see the second example, that the example number 5, that integration of 1 upon root 3x square minus 4x plus 2. Okay, again let I is integral, and in the first step we make the coefficient of x square as 1. So for that, again here also we take 3 common, remaining is what, x square minus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, see, according to this, you, now the second step is according to this actually, what, half coefficient of x whole square. What is half? Half, and the coefficient of x is minus 4 by 3 whole square. So minus 4 by 3 whole square is what, 16 by 9. 16 by 9 into 2 means 4 by 9. We have to add and subtract 4 by 9 in denominator. You understand, or you remember like this by using this formula, or as I say, what I say, see the coefficient of x, that is 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 divide by 2, what do we get, minus 2 by 3, square that term, minus 2 by 3 square means 4 by 9, add and subtract in denominator. So see, x square minus 4 by 3x plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 and plus 2 by 3, right? So if we see again first three terms, this is the perfect square of x square minus 2 by 3 whole square, right? X minus 2 by 3 whole square is x square minus 4 by 3x plus 4 by 9 is what, x minus 2 by 3 whole square, and 4 by minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3, this is 2 by 3 minus 4 by 9 is what, that is root 3 by root 2 by 3 whole square. Now use this result, that integration of 1 upon root x square plus a square is what, log of x plus root x square plus a square plus c. By using this result, what we get, 1 by root 3 is this one, constant outside integration, and result of this is log of x means x minus 2 by 3 plus root x square plus a square plus c. Again root 2 by 3 whole square means 2 by 9. So what we get, see in the final answer, 1 by root 3 log x minus 2 by 3 plus, or instead of this we use this given function, that is x square minus 4 by 3 x plus 2 by 3, this one, right? So this is the final answer for this question, right? Right. See the next example again, which is similar to this, that 1 upon 3 minus 10x minus 25x square. Make coefficient of x square is 1. For that 25 we have to take common. So what is what do we get? What do we get? 3 by 25 minus 10 by 25x minus x square, right? X square, make the coefficient of x square as 1. Okay. Then in the next step we have to this. We have to perform this one. See, the coefficient of x is 10 by minus 10 by 25 divide by 2, so 5 by 25, that is 1 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5 whole square is 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 we have to add and subtract here, right? And before that we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. Here it is minus 1, so for that we have to take minus sign common here, right? And 1 by 25 add and subtract like this. Then the first three terms are the perfect square of x plus 1 by 5. this one, x square plus 2 by 5x plus 1 by 25 is nothing but x plus 1 by 5 whole square, and plus 1 by 25 means 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5, or this one also 3 by 25. So 1 by 25 plus 3 by 25 means 4 by 25, and 4 by 25 in square form is 2 by 5 whole square. So what do we get? 2 by 5 whole square minus x plus 1 by 5 whole square. That is, this is the form we get, that 1 upon a square minus x square, that is equals to 1 upon twice a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Right. So using this result of integration, what we get? 1 upon twice a is 2 by 5 log of a plus x, 2 by 5 plus x plus 1 by 5 divided by 2 by 5 minus x plus 1 by 5 plus c. And what do we get then? That 2 into 2 4, and 25 by 5 means 5, 5 into 4 20. Okay, so 1 by 20 log of see here what we get here, uh, 5x plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 means 3 plus 5x upon 5, and 5x minus 5x actually, and 2 minus 1, that is 1 minus 5x upon 5, 5 cancel, remaining is 3 plus 5x upon 1 minus 5x. Right, this is the answer finally. Okay. Okay, see the next example again, that this is the activity actually, that integration of 1 upon root 1 plus x minus x square. So again make the coefficient of x square as 1, here minus 1, so minus sign common, so 1 minus, what do you get here, x square, and plus x है तो minus x होगा, right, x square minus x आना चाहिए ब्रैकेट में. Okay, then integration 1 upon, according to this step we have to add and subtract 1 by 4, so 1 minus x square minus x as from here, plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, then next is what, 1 minus, if we see this first three terms is the perfect square of x minus 1 by 2 whole square, x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and minus minus plus 1 by 4. Right, now 1 plus 1 by 4 means 5 by 4. Okay, what is here? Then in this blank space what do we get? That is x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and minus 1 by 4 outside the bracket, and minus minus plus 1 plus 1 by 4 means 2 by 4, and the 2 by 4 in square form root 5 by 5 by 4, and 5 by 4 in square form root 5 by 2 whole square, and x minus 1 by 2 whole square. By using this result of integration of 1 upon root a square minus x square dx is sin inverse x by a plus c. Using this result, what we get then? Sin inverse x means x minus 1 by 2 upon root 5 by 2. Right, then what is finally what we get here? Sin inverse twice x minus 1 divided by root 5 plus c. So these are the blank spaces I have filled as I said you. फर्स्ट ब्लैंक स्पेस में क्या आएगा? x स्क्वायर माइनस x, राइट, ये फिल किया हुआ है. यहाँ क्या आएगा? x माइनस 1 by 2 होल स्क्वायर एंड माइनस 1 by 4 ब्रैकेट के बाहर. ठीक है, या फिर ब्रैकेट के बाहर ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं इसको, x माइनस 1 by 2 होल स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में, और ब्रैकेट के बाहर प्लस 1 by 4. देन 1 plus 1 by 4 मीन्स ये स्टेप आएगी फिर. और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? साइन इनवर्स x माइनस 1 by 2 अपॉन रूट 5 by 2, और फाइनली साइन इनवर्स ट्वाइस x माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 5 प्लस c दोनों में आना चाहिए. राइट, सो दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्टिविटी. ओके, see the next example. What is that? Integration of sin twice x upon 3 sin to the power 4x minus 4 sin square x plus 3. Right, so this is not a standard form of the integration of x square plus bx plus c. So for that we have to convert this function in the standard form by substitution method. So see here, we substitute sin square x equals to t. So derivative of this, why we have to find derivative here? Because if we substitute this function as t, so dx, the value of dx is also changes. That is 2 sin x into cos x dx equals to dt. And now 2 sin x into cos x is what? Sin 2x. So sin 2x dx equals to dt. Right? That is actually the numerator. So after substitution, we get integration of 1 upon pi 1, because sin 2x dx is dt. So actually sin 2x dx it is dt, and divide by 3 t square. How t square? Just sin to the power 4. Sin to the power 4 means square of square. So t square and 4t plus 1. Now this is the standard form of integration of x square plus bx plus c. For that, now make the coefficient of x square as 1. So here t square as 1. So 3 take outside the integration, that is, and remaining is t square minus 4 by 3t plus 1 by 3. Now by using this step, we have to add and subtract 4 by 9 in denominator. So 1 by 3 is constant, take outside the integration, and what we get after addition of 4 by 9 and subtraction of 4 by 9 in denominator, at t square minus 4 by 3t plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3, this one. Now if we see these three steps, three terms, the perfect square of t square, actually t plus 2 by 3 whole square, right? That is done in the next step. So it is 3t square minus 4 by 3t plus 4 by 9, and minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 9, right? Then see 1 by 3, this is t minus 2 by 3 whole square, as I say, minus 1 by 9 means 1 by 3 whole square. Now this is the standard form of 1 upon x square minus a square. So the result is 1 upon twice a log of x minus a upon x plus a, right? So this 1 upon 3 and 1 upon twice a is 1 by 3 log x means t minus 2 by 3 minus a means 1 by 3, and upon x plus 1 by x plus a, right? After solving, 3 cancel, a 1 by 2 is remaining, log of thrice t minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3 upon 3 divide by thrice t minus 2 plus 1 upon 3. 3 cancel, so thrice t minus 3 upon thrice t plus minus 1. Now put the value of t, that is sin square x. So we get this is the answer, that 1 upon 2 log of 3 sin square x minus 3 upon 3 sin square x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer finally, right? See the next one, that integration of e to the power x by 2 upon e to the power minus x minus e to the power x, right? So try to understand yourself this example. See, this is the exponential function negative form, so we have to do 1 upon this one and then simplify, right? And in numerator, e to the power x by 2, that is nothing but root e to the power x, because e to the power x to the power 1 by 2 actually, and e to the power x to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but root e to the power x, like this, right? Then simplifying and find the answer, right? So in this way we have to solve the examples of this type, and try to understand and try to solve another examples, right, from exercise also. Okay.